Cause we're not even finna play with the coiffure. Better looks, better things. How y'all knew I was here?
Hey, I'm that bitch. Pretty ass face with them lips. I got them lips, yeah. I got them hips. Curvy look, bitch, I got them well.
Hey guys, good afternoon. My name is LeondraNicole. Welcome to my channel. If you are new here, please do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe. If you are not new here, girl, welcome back. So today is what? I think today is Friday. Anyways, yesterday's vlog was really like sad. Okay, well, not even yesterday's. My last vlog was like really sad for me, but your girl can't stay down for too long. So even though I just got my plaits in, I did do a maintenance vlog of when I went and got my hair done. Well, I had a house call. I don't know if I should upload that or not, but y'all, I just got my hair done last week. My friend did my hair last week. I need to do my edges, but right now I'm trying to run about this house because I'm gonna go to the hair store, grab some bundles, because I'm gonna do my hair because your girl is going outside on Wednesday, and the outfit that I have is not gonna give with these braids, these plaits. So we gotta say bye-bye to the boho plaits and hello to some bundles. So I'm thinking of getting a 26-inch bust down part in the middle with some crimps. I don't know, may or may not, but maybe I may or may not do the crimps. I don't know just yet, but we finna head on out. I just have on this swansea jumper little thing situation going on, and I'm finna put on the sandals that I bought yesterday and the black bag and call it a day, and we're finna hurry up and head to this lady before she closes. So yeah, this is today's fit. Just the sandals I bought yesterday, this little one piece, and yeah, we're out here. Let's go. So I just made it to Subi. Oh my god, y'all can't see it. I just made it to Subi or whatever. Y'all can't see, it's so fucking dark. Anyways, yeah, I just made it to Subi, and it's too packed in there, so I'm not gonna bring y'all with me. But yeah, I'm gonna show y'all what I get when I leave out of here. Can I have a tall apple crisp oat milkshake and espresso? Yes. Can I do the pumpkin cold foam on top?
Pumpkin cold foam on top of that?
Yes, and then like a pump of the what is it? Well, you know, you can leave it like that. And can I have a cheese Danish extra toasted?
Let me make sure we have it.
Okay.
Alrighty, cheese Danish extra toasted. Anything else?
No, that'll be all.
No problem, 1107.
Okay. Wow. Starbucks just, you know what? These phones are so set up, y'all. Well, I just got a notification from Starbucks and it say tap and start for 15 bonus stars. Like, y'all must be knew I was here. How y'all knew I was here? Yeah, so I went to the hair store already. Y'all already seen that I went to the hair store. I didn't show y'all me inside of the place because it'd be too packed in there. Yeah, it's already 5 o'clock, so I just want to go home. People is tired, and I am people. Gosh. Friends, stop moving up. Friend, now you don't want to move up. Yeah, one day I want to see if I could drive without my glasses. Like, I really doubt it, but you know, you never know. Hello. Okay. Thank you. Yes, please. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. says she hopes I like it. Y'all, let me try this bad boy right now. Cause we're not even finna play with the coiffure. Let's see. Hold up. I'm gonna take the top off. I gotta stir her around. Get all of this. I tried something new today, so it's different. Aww. It's different. I think next time. Oh, it's because all the flavor is at the freaking bottom. Okay, hold up. Ooh. When it's mixed up in it, it's really, really good. Okay, cool beans. Hey, y'all. So, I originally wanted to get dressed and go to Dave & Buster's and get drinks, but because of the fact that my friends are not responding to me, they're being fucking bitches. But yeah, I'm just gonna do my makeup and then put on some clothes and take pictures, maybe do a TikTok. That's really what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna do a TikTok. I'm not sure if I'm gonna do like an add-on to the TikTok that I already was doing, or if I'm going to just add this video into my TikTok. I don't know. I'm gonna do a little same. But I'm gonna let you guys come along to do my makeup with me and then put on the clothes. Y'all could do like a little behind the scenes. Behind the scenes of my TikTok. Come on.
You like this for real? Thank you, baby. Look, you leaving now? I'ma see you later. I'ma sneak through your window. Bye. Dance.
Okay, y'all, so that pretty much sums up my video. I hope you guys enjoyed. It was just something quick because I'm about to take out my hair and I wanted to take some pictures or get some look, whatever, before I take out my hair. And yeah, I'm about to wash this stuff off my face, start taking out my hair, and then yeah, I really wish I had some different shoes. That's why the shoes really didn't make the cut. Y'all can go check out my TikTok if y'all want to see any of the details or whatever. But yeah, better looks, better things is on the way. Thank you guys so much for spending the day with me. Do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And until next time, guys, later babes, ciao.
Love, I got 'em well.